I'm Tom with the Auraria Library. This is one in a series of tutorials I've made on select Auraria Library business resources. Today we're going to look at the Passport database. Passport is a source for national and international consumer information. Consumer information is of two kinds: demographics and psychographics, also known as lifestyle information. Examples of demographics might be the age, gender, race or ethnicity, and income of people in a particular geographical area. Psychographics, on the other hand, refers to that population's preferences for products and services. Examples of this might be who likes to drink beer and what brands, who likes to eat out and at what restaurants, who would like to stream a movie or see it in a theater, among others. I'll be moving through this tutorial fairly quickly because I don't want to take up too much of your time. If, however, I'm moving too fast for you, please feel free to rewind, fast forward, or pause this tutorial as you see fit. To start with, we'll need to go to the Auraria Library website at library.auraria.edu. First, go to the database list. Then enter Passport into the single search bar and click on the search button. Then click on the Passport link on the following page. Before you can enter the database, you'll see this Terms and Conditions page. Just scroll to the bottom and click on the Accept button. Also, if you're accessing this database from off-campus, you may be prompted to log in. If you're with the University of Colorado Denver or Metropolitan State University of Denver, you'll log in using your university email username and password. If you're with Community College of Denver, you'll log in using your name and student, faculty, or staff number. In this example, we'll look for expenditures in France on household and domestic services. Click on the Consumers tab, then on the one for income and expenditure. Scroll down the page on the left-hand side to the Explore Statistics box. Then choose a category. For our example today, we're going to select Consumer Expenditure on Household and Domestic Services. And then we'll choose Geography. Of course, we're interested in this data in France, so we'll need to scroll down the pull-down menu here until we get to Western Europe, and there we'll select France. Finally, we'll choose Statistics. There's only one category of statistics available, Economies and Consumers Annual Data, so we'll click on that and then the Go button. This search will produce a table listing the consumption numbers for this category of product in France in whatever currency is indicated, in this case, millions of euros, and over several years, going from 2016 to 2021. Please note, the numbers here should have 3 zeros added after the decimal point. So the number for 2016 isn't 14,350 euros. It is instead 14,350,000 euros. What we'll search for next is analysis on this topic. You'll note that this search process I'm about to describe is very similar in many ways to that for statistics. We'll go back to the Consumers tab, and again to Income and Expenditure. You'll see the Explore Analysis box on the left-hand side of the page. First, we'll choose Analysis. In this case, we'll select a country report. Then Category. The only one available is Income and Expenditure, so we'll select that. And finally, Geography. And again, we'll go down and select France. then click on the Go button. This search will produce a report on income and expenditure in France, which includes distribution of income, average gross income by age, population by income bracket, among others. To learn more about the content of this database and how to search it, feel free to view other library tutorials on this database as they come available. Also, go to the Help Guide and Videos tab. There you can find much more information on how to search this database. Let's wrap up by going back to the Auraria Library website. If you need further help with this database or have other research questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name and contact information are at both the beginning and end of this tutorial. If you can't get in touch with me, you have other options for getting assistance from the library. Scroll down the left-hand side of the page to the Ask Us button. Click on it. There you'll find several ways to reach out to those of us at the library for research help. You can set up a research consultation with me or one of my colleagues for up to 1 hour, usually via Zoom, so we can help you with whatever research topic you'd like. You can also text us, email us, call us, or chat with us. This chat service works 24 hours a day. Be aware, however, if you want to speak to someone at the Auraria Library about our services and resources, you would probably want to use this service between approximately 9 in the morning and 5 in the afternoon. If you use it any time outside of that window, you'll be in touch with a librarian, but most probably one not at the Auraria Library, or perhaps not even in Colorado or the United States, who doesn't know that much about our services. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.